Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the touchpad issue on your laptop. This is Asus laptop. Regarding Asus laptop, so the mouse cursor disappeared, so you cannot move. So all you have to do, press Windows key, here Windows. Okay, and type touchpad, and press touchpad settings. So press enter, here enter. And now you can see the mouse cursor touchpad is disabled, is turned off for some reason. So all you have to do is to press for Asus laptop, press either F6 or F9. So press F6 here, or F9. So we try F6 because it's still the mouse cursor not working. Press F6 and now you can see the mouse cursor is working and you can turn it on, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.